In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on automatic numbering in OneNote. If you've ever tried creating a numbered list in OneNote and noticed that it doesn't continue the numbering automatically, it can feel a bit frustrating, especially when you're organizing notes or outlining ideas. The good news is that this feature can be easily enabled in just a few moments, and once it's turned on, it can make your note-taking much faster and more efficient. Let's start by understanding the issue. Normally, when you type a number followed by a period, then press the spacebar and hit Enter, OneNote should automatically continue the numbering for the next line. However, if that doesn't happen, it simply means the automatic numbering feature is turned off in your settings. To fix this, begin by going to the top left corner of OneNote and clicking on the File menu. This will open a new screen where you'll see several options for managing your application settings. From there, select Options to open the OneNote Options window. Inside the Options window, look for the Advanced tab. This section contains various settings that control how OneNote behaves while you're editing and formatting your notes. Once you're in the Advanced tab, scroll down until you find the section labeled Editing. This is where you can adjust features related to typing and formatting. Now, locate the option that says Apply Numbering to Lists Automatically. If this box is not checked, go ahead and click on it to enable the feature. This setting allows OneNote to recognize when you're starting a numbered list and continue it automatically, without any extra effort from you. After checking the box, click OK to save your changes and close the Options window. Now, return to your notebook and try it out. Type the number 1, followed by a period, press the spacebar, and then hit Enter. You should now see that OneNote automatically creates the next number in the sequence, helping you build your list smoothly and efficiently. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you frequently work with outlines, steps, or organized notes. It helps maintain consistency and saves you time while typing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.